Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today, we'll be making some simple scones. So, let's jump right into it.
Put your flour and baking powder into the sieve and sift them into your bowl. Don't forget to also preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit and bake. Now add 75 grams of room temperature butter and cut in with your round blade table knife into your flouring mixture, or if that doesn't work, just rub it in with your hands until it's like breadcrumbs. Having made some breadcrumbs, add approximately 1 to 1.5 cups of milk and then quickly cut it together with your knife until it's combined. Don't forget to give it a quick knead as well, but don't over knead it. On a lined baking tray, press out your dough and divide them as evenly as possible. Just remember to spread them out on the tray before you put them in the oven. Grab some extra milk and brush the top of the scones. Then put them in the oven for 10 minutes or until golden brown on top. Having baked the scones, move them to a cooling rack and let them cool slightly, and eat them however you desire, be it raspberry jam and cream or just with butter. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make scones with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and check out the recommended video. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.